Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the last topic of the chapter, the role of the river in the economy. As we know that the river play a very important role in the economy of our country. Like without river, we cannot expect the uh, cultivation, agriculture, and other part of the development of the country, because the dams and other multipurpose projects were dependent on the river only. So it play a very important role in the economy. So the fundamental importance throughout the human history, water from the rivers on the basis of natural resources. We know that wherever the riverine area was, early man started to settle on the bank of this river. And today we see that the importance of these places are very much, because firstly, they provide positivity to the region, and secondly, they are the hub or center of the trade and commerce, simultaneously tourism. So essential for the various human activities. Therefore, river banks have attracted the settlers from the ancient times. Settlers, the people who used to live on the bank of river, means generally you see that the crowded region or the dense populative region is on the bank of river, whether you see any part of the country. So these settlements have now become cities, and make the list of these cities of state are located on the bank of river. So many you can recognize, many you can give the river which the cities which are situated on the bank of rivers. So using the river of irrigation, navigation, hydroelectric power generation of this special significance, particularly to the country like India, and where agriculture is the major source of livelihood of the majority of its population. So this is the importance of the river basically, कि river से हमें क्या मतलब what we get from river. So rivers are important for irrigation, navigation, hydropower generation, then particularly the country like India. So agriculture is the main source of livelihood and mainly of its population. So this is the importance, and this question generally come in exam. So ready to write this. Another is river pollution. The major question and the major problem with the river is that the water is getting polluting day by day, because the population is much over the bank of rivers, and that's why all the effluents, or you can say garbage, just dump into the river in of many of the cities. Like if you see the Uttar Pradesh, many of the like Ganga especially, it is much polluted, but many programs have been running by the government since 1985, and till today they are continued. And many example you can see, like in Banaras, the Ghat, if you see Mr. Modi, the PM of India, what the program he has started. So what do you say about means, like these are particularly the program. So let's be discuss. So the growing domestic municipal industrial agriculture demand for water from the river naturally affects the quality of water. So as the result, more and more water is being drained out of the rivers, into reducing their volume. On the other hand, heavy load of untreated sewage and industrial effluents are emptied into the rivers, and that affect not only the quality of water but also the self-cleansing capacity of the river. For example, giving the adequate stream flow, Ganga water is able to dilute and assimilate pollution load within 20 kilometers large cities, but the increasing urbanization and industrialization do not allow it happens, and pollution level of the many of the rivers being rising. मतलब इसका मतलब है कि कुछ तो गंगा के अंदर ये रिवर जो है, जो हाई माउंटेन पीक से आती है, सेल्फ क्लेंजिंग कैपेसिटी इनकी होती है, लेकिन एक लिमिट तक ही है. जब उसमें अननेसेसरी जो कचरा है या एफिलिएंट्स है, वो डैमेज जो होता है, वो अच्छा मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें आ जाए, तो फिर उसकी कैपेसिटी इतनी नहीं रहती. क्योंकि इंडस्ट्रीज में आने वाला एफिलिएंट्स क्या है, इट इज़ इन अ ग्रेट क्वांटिटी. So concern over the rising pollution in our rivers led to the launching of various action plan to clean the river. So have you heard about the action plan, the Ganga Gap जिसको हम बोलते हैं? How does our earth health get affected by the pollution water river. Think out of life human being without the fresh water. So we can have a debate on that particularly. So in future, be ready for the debate. I'll ask this question and online we will discuss all these points. Another main program is that National River Conservation Plan, that is NRCP. So River Activity Ganga Plan yani GAP, the phase 1 initiated 85 as I told you and declared the close on 31 March 2000, and steering the Committee of National River Conservation Authority reviewed in the progress of GAP and necessary correction of the basis of lesson learned and experiences gained from GAP phase 1, and these have been applied to the major polluted rivers of the country under the NRCP. Ganga Action Plan phase second has been merged with the NRCP and expanded. NRCP new 152 towns located 27 interstate river on 16 states. Under the action plan, pollution abatement work are being taken 57 towns. A total to 15 schemes of pollution abatement have been sanctioned. So far 69 schemes have been completed under this action plan. 1 million of liters sewage is treated to be intercepted, diverted into treated. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा इस पर काम किया गया है, ठीक है? So this was the plan. Generally question can be asked, but till the time it has not been asked. So in MCQ's form, you can learn the fact. Okay. Thank you. In the next video, we'll discuss the question answer.